Hi, my name's Paul Benett. I'm a clinical psychologist and I run various sorts of projects if people are interested. So in the past we've run a study looking at sexual attraction to underage girls. It's an experimental study and we're trying to identify, we know that people hold back from giving their genuine attraction ratings of photographs of underage girls because it's not really what you're supposed to be doing. So we're trying to find out what predicts that, what psychological characteristics, personality or other characteristics predict whether people just go for it and say, I don't care, they're maybe underage, but I think they're really attractive, or oh no, they're a bit underage. I'll be a bit more cautious. So it's an experimental study. We get people looking at photographs, hitting a button to show attraction ratings, measuring reaction time, and then we analyze the data. Another study that we've just started is looking at a staff well-being in ABMU, the local hospital. So essentially they're going on a one-day training course to help them learn some strategies to cope with stress. And we're going to follow these people up over a number of months to find out whether it works. So there'll be some interviews, there'll be some questionnaires, so there'll be different types of data to analyse. A third area we're looking at is people that have had a thrombosis, a blood clot. And if you have a blood clot in the lungs in particular, it can be very frightening. And people can experience long-term anxiety about it coming back or about the side effects. So what we're doing at the moment is interviewing people that have had this experience to find out how they cope, how they deal with it, and that will be with real-life patients. So we're going through NHS ethics, which is complicated, but we're getting there. So for that in particular, we need people that feel confident in interviewing people, confident in talking to real patients, if you see what I mean. So people need to think quite carefully, but it will be a really interesting study and maybe publishable, you never know. So those are the three areas that I'm particularly interested in, but if people have other ideas, come and pitch them, that'll be fine. My email, which is probably the easiest, is my name's Paul David Benett. So my contact details are p.d.bennett@swansea.ac.uk.